desert worm here with Torty. I just sprayed down her pen and I just made her also a kale dandelion salad sprinkled with bee pollen. Let's see if she notices it. Oh, the chickens have seen the salad though. So there's some herbs in there, some bee pollen, some kale, and some dandelions. It looks like dandelion greens are always the favorite of all of our reptiles. It seems like they always go for the dandelion greens first. Here we go, some fresh kale grown in our hydroponic system inside. We sprinkled it with some bee pollen. Wonder if she likes it. I've yet to see if she'll eat the herbs or the bee pollen. So does she like the herbs? It's time to try. No, she took the kale out. The fresh kale. That kale just was freshly cut just a minute ago. That was off a live plant. Same with all this stuff. Not a big fan of the herbs, huh? You coming over to look at me? I don't have anything else. You don't like the bee pollen? Those are my toes. Ah! I guess Torty even came back for the bee pollen now. Hard to eat, huh? Giving up on my toes, she's now finishing off the scraps.